ithi eGauteng iphakamise ukungasamthembi ubuholo obungaphasi kukaNdunakulu uDavid Makhura. Ithi uyabhalelwa uMakhura ukuthatha amagadango ngokulahleka kwemmali zesifunda. Umholi weDA eGauteng uSolimsimanga uthi imbiko le ifaka nemali yehlelo lengidigidi zamaranda lokuvuselela iAlexander. Batjho seminyaka emibili badenjisa ukuthi kuzokuhlola indlela yokuphila kwemphathiswa bona ikhamisana nemholo yazo na nemali yethenda ephathelene nokuthengwa kwensetshenziswa zokulwa nengogwana iCovid-19. Kodwa batjho ukufikela nje akunande yenzweko.
Another report that we've been waiting for is the PPE report, the full disclosure of the PPE. Where did money go? Where did the 2.2 billion rand money go? Where did the 400 million of the school sanitizing program, where did that money go?
IDA enenhlalo ezimachumi amabili kusibetha mthetho sesifunda inethemba lokuthumba na ingathola isekelo nakezinye inhlangano.
It's going to be resting on the ANC itself to then say, after hearing everything that we have said, are they going to themselves continue to protect one of their comrades, or are they going to do the right thing and make sure that they support this motion and make sure that we're able to then get somebody who's going to be then accountable to the people of Gauteng?
Kodwa ANC enenhlalo ezimachumi amathathu nekhomba ithi la seMaria Dlana weDA ngombana kucharakene ngakiyo.
I think the intention of the motion is to deflect the mess of the DA in Tembisa, is to deflect and defocus the attention of the people of Tembisa and Ekurhuleni from statements made by the mayor, which he says that he condones violence, he condones racism.
Khulumende wesifunda seGauteng uziphendulele wathi, hayi le mizamo yokuzibonakalisa bona isesekhona iDA.